Top of the morning, everyone. My name is Tshidi and I'm back with another video, and this time I'm going to answer the question that says, why should we not hire you? For a lot of people, this is a very tricky question because every time you hear this question, the first thing that says to you is like, gee man, why would you not want to hire me? I think I'm the best candidate for this. There's an easier way of actually answering this question, and this is how you'd answer it. Why should we not hire you is not always a question that's asking whether you want the job or you don't want the job. It's actually normally a question that's asking, what are some of the things that for you hold very dear to your career that you think if you were to come and join this company, you would not necessarily actually enjoy if they didn't exist. Now, I know some of the people are going to ask to say, but why don't you ask it that way? But I think it's one of those things where it becomes an icebreaker. It becomes one of those things where it helps us see people simplifying things, and it's a beautiful way of just getting to engage with somebody. It's normally not a question that people ask to penalize you. So why should we not hire you? The best way that you can answer is to say, for example, just one of the examples that I'd give is to say, listen, I'm one of those people that like to ask questions. I like to challenge the status quo. I don't like things being the same way that they are, and I can be a bit too persistent when I wanted information from certain people. And I think if you were to hire me and that's not the person that you're looking for, unfortunately I wouldn't be the right candidate. Or the second way that you would normally would say is, listen, I've worked for high performing teams and I like being in an environment where it's high performing. But if for me your explanation of performance is actually speaking about people just enjoying and just chilling and doing their own thing, I become very impatient when I don't get information that I'm looking for, especially when I know that everybody's a bit more relaxed. So if you're not looking for somebody that's going to push and push and push and try and get as much information as possible, then I'm definitely not the right person to actually bring into your company. So that is how you answer, why should you not hire you? It's not, don't hire me because you don't want to pay me. That could be another way of actually putting it. But I think a lot of the times it's one of those questions that people are asking you to try and understand what are some of the things that you hold very dear to you that you would actually like to make sure that you survive with and you actually enjoy.